Unlock your success with the $2,000 profit system. Hey there. Are you ready to finally unlock real, consistent income online? Then you're going to love this. You're about to get access to a system that can deliver commissions worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars each and every week. It's called the $2,000 profit system, and it's designed to help everyday people, just like you, build a full-time income with simple, proven steps. Here's exactly what to do to get started. Step 1. Click the link and register for your free account. It takes just a few seconds, and you'll get immediate access. Step 2. Once inside, follow the 4 easy steps in your back office. These include a tutorial that shows you exactly how to set up your marketing funnel, so you can start generating leads and making money. Step 3. Set up your advertising. We'll show you exactly where to go and how to get started fast. And here's a special bonus just for joining my team. Ask me how to get 1 million ad credits every single month. That's right, 1 million ad credits, exclusive to my personal team members. So if you're tired of spinning your wheels and ready for something that actually works, now's the time to unlock your $2,000 profit system. Let's build something amazing together.